Hey guys, let's see how to reset the Kasa Spot Pan and Tilt camera. So it's pretty simple. Here I have the camera. So as you can see, there's an LED here that shows the camera is already working, and the reset button is just right here. So you need to move this a little bit up, just like so. So just put your finger here, move a little bit up, and then you're gonna see the reset button, okay? Just approach here that you see that's just right here, okay? A reset button. And now you just need to press and hold for 5 seconds to reset your camera. And you're gonna see the LED here flashing and changing color. Let me just press here. You can use your fingers or a pen or something, right? Just press here and hold. So I'm holding right now. And now you see that's flashing orange there. And I just let it go and wait for a while. So the camera is basically resetting right now. Then I'm gonna use my cell phone to connect to the camera again, right? I'm gonna just wait for a while and you're gonna see the camera is flashing orange and green. And now here I can connect the camera to the cell phone again. For that, you just need to open your app. So let me just select here the Kasa app. There we go. And here gonna come to camera and you see that I don't have the camera working anymore. I used to have the camera here, it's not working anymore, right? So I need to add a new camera here. So basically just hit here to add a new device, and I'm going to select device. And here I have options for cameras. Let me just type this one. And then I have Kasa Spot Pan Tilt, that's the one. And now just gonna need to follow the instructions here, right? Basically need to connect to power, which I already have it. And you need to see this, that's flashing here, red and orange. So it is green, orange and green, sorry, right? Then I just hit here. And remember that I need to connect to the camera Wi-Fi. The camera, it has its Wi-Fi available right now. So you need to come to your Wi-Fi here and select the Kasa one. Just come here and look for it. There you go, Kasa Cam. Where did it go? Just come back here. There we go. And now you see that I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi, and then I can come back there and keep working, right? But I'm already connected. So basically connecting to the Kasa Spot camera. Takes a while. There we go. So it says reset my device. I do not reset because I already reset it there. And now I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi. So basically I need to insert the password here, and the camera is going to receive this information to be able to connect to my router and to my network, right? So basically it's connecting here. Let me just put the camera back there. Wait for a while, so it's going to connect there. There we go. So I can give the camera name, save, select where I have the camera, office, and then I just need, I can skip this one, do everything later here because I just want to test if the camera is working right now. Okay, and I'm gonna use this right now. Just skip and select the camera here. Just exit this one, skip for now, and I have the camera working, right? Basically the camera is back there, already working. Just click here, manage, so I can control the camera. You see that's working back there. I can control the PTZ. Just put my hand there, so you see that's working. So it works pretty fine, okay? So that's the way you can reset the Kasa Spot Pan and Tilt camera. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.